So I decided that I wasn't going to make any more vlog until I get my vlog camera. However, I have an obligation to you guys. I have an obligation to all my subscribers to, keep up with the vlog, entertain them, entertain you guys. So make you happy, enjoy yourself, enjoy my vlogs. I've been getting feedback, good, bad, I've been watching certain stuff in terms of like the production here. Oh, you like the shirt? You like the style? We build style, me build style. But yeah, get back to the meat and matter. Yeah. So me this seminar make no more vlog until me get a proper vlog camera because I've been using my phone. And to be honest, people, I'm not pleased with the outcome, the quality. I'm not really pleased with the quality of the vlogs. I don't have enough people to make the vlogs, interesting the way I want it to. Like, so if I was back home right now, trust me, the vlogs would have turned up. Because me, I'm all of my brethren them. All of the girl them, my friend them, I'm comfortable around and me and them are all of vibes and things. The vlogs would have turned up. But here, I guess I just have to use them I have and just try to just work with the positive. You understand? Working with the positive and try to make better vlogs. Hello. So you see all them little things here, the lighting. And see because they're black like me, when they're black like this, you have to have good lighting and good camera. You understand? But yeah, so here are people. I'm kinda down for myself a little bit. And sometimes I wonder, oh, yeah, but they are the mailbox in the apartment. Ooh, nice little mailbox. It's alright. It's like a little cottage thing you like. But it's alright. Yeah, I'm looking to what's going on here? Oh, we got mail. Oh, seems like it's a lot. It's a lot of mail. It's a lot. So we had a truckload of mail. Not only my mail, but colleague, grandma mail. Just everybody mail in the mailbox. Yeah, so get the mail. Like that mail here. So as I was saying, peeps, I get really. So as I was saying, I get really frustrated. I get down on myself a lot. For some time for little stuff, but not major stuff, just little stuff. So yeah, the where I want it to be, it's not I know I just started vlogging and I don't want to seem ungrateful or anything, but like the quality and the vibe on what I want to bring across, I just want it to be, more interesting, fun, so people can enjoy it more and stuff like that. Because right now, it's Friday the 13th, watch on the back, watch on the back. You have to watch yourself on the road now, crazy things happen today. So, my personality, most of you seen that already, most of you, experience that already, but I just want to do more. I want to express myself more with my friends them, which I don't really have. I don't really have much. My neck. Oh, the lighting good right here. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, sweet like me. Oh, sweet like me. Yeah, so that side, that's how I say I was going to just put a pause on the vlogs and just make it, just wait until I get a better vlog camera so I can actually see what I'm doing. Because I'm seeing what I'm doing now, so it's not bad, but a front facing camera, but if you don't have good lighting, trust me, I'm getting a good quality outside. So that's one of the reasons why, and it's been on my mind and stuff like that. And then when I'm doing the stationary vlogs and I'm sitting down and stuff, I can't even see what I'm doing. So like looking at myself and expressing myself, I can't do that. I want to bring across that more, you know, with my viewers and stuff like that. So I really appreciate all of you that reach out to me and checking on the vlogs and stuff like that. I'm just going to throw this up and just let you guys know that here I have a lot of plans, I have a lot of stuff in store, but the environment and the circumstances, you understand, kinda holding me back a bit. So that kind of filter into the vlog or the vlog ability, you know, to make you guys, you know, more entertained. So I am going to try my best to continue because I don't want to make a vlog and then you can't say anything on it and nobody can see me. Because you know what I say, people, it's a struggle when you have a darker complexion like myself. You need a camera. Is it? You not understand? You know, if he's a ramp man, a ramp. If he's a yo, you not play too much. You understand? Yo, I'm not black. You understand? Me just a heavier shade. You understand? So I'm not black. I'm black. So here I no fun attack. And I move like say man, black is just a heavier shade. You understand? Some people lighter than some people. You understand? So here, when you have a heavier shade like me, you have to have a proper camera, I understand? So you get good shots, get good quality. You see me? So yeah. So here are people. Big up on yourself. I hope you enjoy this. Remember, subscribe and share if you don't subscribe and share already. And just look out for more. I'm going to put in the work and I'm going to look some people for in the vlog. You see? I'm not look nobody. But yeah. But yeah, I understand. Just look out for the vlog there, man. Enough respect to my gingerbread them and my jelly bean for tuning in and wanting the vlogs and checking out the vlogs and encouraging me and giving me good feedback. No fun not talk to man on the vlog, you know, but here what? Big up on yourself, see me. I understand when you don't mind to feel like say yo, when you can't talk to me, I'm not bite off nobody head, you know. And just don't run in the wrong way. You understand? Because if you run in the wrong way, then you understand. You see me? So yeah. Open alright again. Later people. Love to see me. JVLOGS represent. I'm